Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Babes Wodumo posts these pictures on her Instagram, guys, where she is showing her beautiful legs. And you know what? If you know Babes Wodumo from back in her days, you know that Babes Wodumo was the in thing, and listen, she had the body. And many people shared the same sentiments with me that when I saw this picture, I was like, it's good to see babes getting back to umzimba wakhe, into the body that we know. Not only the body that we know, you guys, as you can see from these pictures, she really looks healthy, she really looks good, she really, yeah, she's it looks like she's getting back into her normal self. Now we know it is no secret, you guys, that Upapes Wodumo has lost her husband. And when that happened, obviously a lot of things were going on in her career. She said she was hardly booking much campaigns or much gigs. It was it was a lot of things nje, that was going on. But now it looks like things are really picking up for Babes. I saw that obviously now that it's the Durban July and Don going on, she is busy this weekend. So it looks like even in terms of work, it is picking up. I've seen her at a couple of events, performing, dancing, and I'm like, I'm glad to see the Babes who do Esimazio, because one thing about Babes, you guys, she's a very talented, beautiful young lady, and my hope was really that now that Umampinch is not here, I really hope all of that talent does not go down the drain, because in as much as Umampincho was toxic, you guys, he really did help Babes Wodumo putting her out there. And we know Babes Wodumo because of Umampinch. So it really looks like she is picking up herself from there, and we're glad about that. Girl is glowing. She's looking beautiful. You know what? She looks like happy man, girl. And you know what? We're happy to see her. We're happy to see her, regaining her strength. We're happy to see her back in the industry, and we really hope that she gets back to the top of where she really was. But anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.